quotation sync functionality of Softhealer Xero Connector module. Let's click on Xero configuration. In quotation tab, you can see several checkboxes for sync quotation, import quotation, export quotation, auto import quotation, and auto export quotation. When you click this import quotation boolean, one button will unblock. Sync quotation button you can see here. Save and click on sync quotation button. Now in the log history you can see here, currently there is no quotation to import. Here you can see now one quotation added to the queue. So go to the quotation queue menu. Here you can see quotation queue menu and one quotation added. Select this quotation and click on manually import button. Here you can see successfully import from queue to Odoo. Let's go to the selector, click on quotation and add a filter Xero config. Here you can see one quotation import successfully from. Click on export quotation boolean and then click on sync quotation. Here you can see quotation exported successfully. Now if you do not want to do import quotation and export quotation manually using sync quotation button, click auto import quotation and auto export quotation. It will automatically import and export quotation via cron job. Now if you want to exclude your newly created quotation, now if you want to keep your newly created quotation out of Xero through this exclude new cell order by default boolean, now go to the cells application, click on order or a quotation, click on new, select customer, add a product, save and try to export. Here you can see validation error appears, no valid cell order to export. All selected cell order are either empty or marked as excluded from Xero. So for this, here you can see exclude from Xero sync boolean. If you want to now export this, force this boolean, save and export to Xero again. Here you can see successfully exported. Thank you for watching.